Welcome to My Learning Center. In today's podcast, we'll talk about small business success tips. The actual key to small business success has nothing to do with technology, the internet, or anything else. It isn't even a true secret. It has existed since man first began to communicate. It's all about the words. Words have a tremendous amount of power. They have the power to make you laugh out loud or to damage a relationship or friendship. Words have greater power than any other tool you have. Effective word use, particularly in business, means increased revenue, contented clients, happy workers, and successful and secure future. However, just about 1% of small business owners employ words to their maximum potential. Anyone can learn and wield the power of words efficiently. And once you have it, nothing on this planet can stop you. Copywriting is the skill of employing words in a specific way. It may make or break your sales and marketing collateral. One method an amateur copywriter who is writing for his own product or business might surpass the experienced pro is to inject his own genuine, strong excitement into the sales letter or ad. When selling in print, excitement is equally as crucial as when selling in person. This is why, unlike bookkeeping, you can't just sit down and write an ad on command. You must generate excitement for the job and the proposition you are making. If I'm going to write an ad or other sales material first thing in the morning, which I frequently do, I try to get my subconscious mind to start working on it before I go to bed the night before. I don't always wake up with the big idea I need. Other times, I do wake up with thoughts and the want to write them down and select and choose. When you don't feel like it, don't force yourself to write direct response copy. The result will be bland and mechanical. With the title, subheads, bullet points, an offer, and so on, it may be technically right, but it will lack heart and enthusiasm. Someone who is genuinely enthused about what he or she is selling has a distinct advantage. As a result, the freelance professional copywriter should always record as much of the pitch as possible from the product's most zealous salesperson. Then transfer it to paper, where you can shape and bend it to your liking. Over the years, the most effective work I have done for clients and ad agencies has proven to be for clients that were passionate and enthusiastic about what they sold. So, before you start working on your next company ad, make sure you are as excited about it as you want your clients to be. Thanks for listening, folks. Visit us at https://my-learning-center.teachable.com for quality ebooks, audiobooks, and HD video courses. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center, and subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center, on YouTube.